Hello guys and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will show you the demo tutorial on 11 labs. So this is a basic tutorial for beginners. So when you are actually logged into your 11 labs account, you will see this kind of interface here. Okay, so let me just remind you that 11 labs in an actually artificial intelligence AI text to speech software, okay, in which you can just type or paste text here and you can choose from different voices, okay, and they'll and then that voice will actually read that text for you, okay. And the good thing about this application here that you can actually upload your own voice, okay, and when you upload your own voice here, the text you paste here will read in your own voice, okay. The AI will do the rest of the thing, okay.